Hello everyone, we are Team PNG and we are participating in International Design Challenge 2022. In our team, I am Prashant Basgire, Soumya Bairagya and Anushka Redda. Now we will see the wireframe prototype of the features we are adding in the SeaBank app.
Okay, so now coming to the main application. So the existing application already has its features of the home page, the transactions, and the profile. In this application, we have added investment as a new feature where user can invest into the many investment products as they can see in the list. First is the stocks, where user can invest in the stocks. They can check their portfolio. They can see the holdings in which they've invested, the top gainers, the watch list. And if they do not know about the stocks, they can go through the learning phase and they can go through this videos that are provided within the application. Next is the mutual funds, where users can invest into securities. They can check the dashboard with the current value, the investment value, and within this, they can also check about the company, the product they're investing upon.
The next we have C-bots. They are just like chatbots used for risk management. So they will take the help of market analysis and investment profile of the customer, and they will tell whether the customer must buy or sell a particular stock or not. Next we have investment services, education or retirement services. The third digital investment product we have is digital gold. So in digital gold, it's a virtual gold wherein the customer can buy or sell the virtual gold without actually physically buying the gold. So here the customer can mention how much amount he or she wants to buy gold. We have types of gold such as safe gold and pure gold. For safe gold, again, detailed analysis is given about the past and for a particular day what is the price of that gold for 1 gram. And after digital gold,
We have now cryptocurrency where users can invest in bitcoins and ethereums and many others. They can also buy and sell. Then coming to the next feature.
Next is market analysis, wherein day-to-day updates of the market is given. Then learn investment, wherein basic knowledge about the investment things are given to the user. And finally, a user profile, wherein all the history of the user is given. Yeah. So this is all about our product. Thank you.
Thank you very much.